Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, the only thing I'm really doing is putting this Stifflers Driveshaft safety loop in the coupe. So I got the engine, tranny, and everything stabbed back in. I was helping the guys last week. This weekend I had nut and bolted everything, put the drive shaft in, all the cross member bolts, engine bolts, securing everything up that we didn't get because we just set it in place. I got it all done, and I looked over in the corner of my pile of parts and I forgot I still had the safety loop to install. So I mean, it's really simple. Seems like there's only like 6 bolts to it. Those are the bolts that come with the kit. So, and this is a significant piece of metal here. I mean, it's steel, it's not aluminum or anything. So this is going to go to the cross member tranny mount. I have some spacers in there that looks like the thickness of this will take up those spacers just nice. Then it gets bolted around the drive shaft, those 4 bolts, and it's done. So, yeah, what are we talking about? It's a little bit after 8 at night here. Little timing chain clock. And I'll get cracking. I'll get on there to give you a picture of some before and after. I mean, I can't really film a whole lot on the ground, but yeah, I'll give you before and after. All right, here's the underside. I don't have the exhaust bolted up yet because the header's not on the engine. But all we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 cross member mount bolts loose. I got a couple of big washers in there, and I think it's going to fit right in. I don't know if it's going to go here or on top of this exhaust hanger, because I still use the exhaust hanger on that side. And we're going to see how it goes. Just for racing aluminum drive shaft, nothing cosmic around the TKX, but you know, this should be a clean install. And here's a before, and I'll give you an after here in just one sec. All right, there you go, guys. Less than about 25 minutes. Install it. 6 bolts. That's with me trying to film and do a little farting around. But there you go. Pretty quick and easy. The hardest part, I think, was lining up the bolts and getting to the back ones. Sorry for the pointer there. Just getting around my exhaust. You know, I got 3-inch single down tube for the turbo, but yeah, not bad. I mean, the only thing that's a little questionable, I'm trying to squeeze in here, you know, a little springy, but should be plenty of clearance around that drive shaft, so I don't see a problem in the future. But we'll see how it holds up. Just trying to upgrade some of the safety gear in the car, because you know, it's gonna be getting down on the track. I mean, 130 plus miles an hour, launching with slicks. Hope to get into 1.4 second 60 foots or less. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys ever seen the bottom of the coupe. Let me pull the light out here and see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, but needs a good wipe down, but she's about as clean underneath as it is on the top. So sorry for the garage floor cam, but yeah, just a quick little video. If you guys ever were interested in about the easiest to install drive shaft safety loop there is, you know, I think this is it. Less than 30 minutes. A little pricey, but it's heavy steel and it should do the job. Hopefully it's never needed. If you ever were curious about it, you know, it's half-hour install once the car's in the air. But yeah, super easy. Catch you guys in the next video.